looking for a soul to steal. He was in a bind, he was way behind, he was wanting to make a deal. When he came across this young man, saw him fiddling and playing it hot. And the devil got upon a hickory stump and said, boy, let me tell you what. I bet you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I'm gonna fiddle the gold against your soul, 'cause I think I'm better than you. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, 'cause I'm the best he's ever been. Johnny rounding up your bow and playing the fiddle hall. Silver goose in Georgia and the devil deals it all. If you win, you get the shiny fiddle made of gold. But if you lose, the devil gets your soul. As he rocking up his bow, and he pulled the bow across the strings and it made an evil hiss. Then a band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this.